Okay, good morning, student. Ninth B, Algebra, chapter number 2, related to the numbers. Some basic part you should know from previous chapter. Set, it is a number of particular type of, it is a set of particular type of number, group of particular type of number. So, set of number, the smallest set is a natural number. A natural number means, in short, we can say only positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite. Dash written. W, whole number, means 0 and positive. Natural only positive. This is 0 and positive. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Compared to this, only 0 is one more element. Here only positive. Here 0 and positive. Then more than that, bigger, that is I, integers, negative numbers, positive numbers, and 0. Then this Q stand for rational number, means fraction. Numerator, number, fraction made up of numerator, denominator. So numerator can be positive, 0, negative, but denominator only positive, negative. Denominator do not belongs to 0. Rational number, fractions, numerator can be positive, negative, 0, but the denominator can be only positive, negative, denominator cannot be 0, Q cannot be 0. Then real number, recurring, not recurring, set of all numbers are the real numbers. Now these numbers I have given in increasing order, and this sign C and equal means what? Subset. A is a subset of B, means all element of A is in B. All the element of A are in B. So all the element of N are in W. Natural number including whole number. Whole number including integers. Integers including rational number. Rational number including real number. So these are the increasing order. The number of element goes on increasing. So N is a subset of W. W is a subset of integers. Integers is a subset of Q, means rational number. Rational number, it is a subset of real number. If this is a subset of this is a subset of this also. This is a subset of this also. This is a subset of this also. W is not subset of this, but W is subset of I, W is subset of Q, W is subset of R. I is subset of Q, I is subset of R, but I am not subset of this lower part. Q is subset of R. R is not subset of any because it is a biggest, like universal group. Follow? Now, some small properties. Host, tell me, bachcha, it is clear? Okay, okay, okay. Now say दीप्ति, नाव से बच्चा. Okay, for any problem you can tell. Okay. Commutative frequency, commutative property means what? Commutative means a plus b or b plus a will be the same, like 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5 will be the same answer. This is known as commutative. Associative, same. If a plus b plus c, then c plus b plus a. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. Now back side, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Answer will be same from back side or from front side. Total answer will be same. And if a is equal to a, if you add 0, answer will be same. In addition, if you will add, this property is known as identity, means by adding 0 number will not change. For example, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0. Whose mic is on? Now inverse from any number, if you will subtract self number, 10 minus 10 0, 8 minus 8 0, whose mic is on? So a minus a is equal to always 0, 9 minus 9 always 0, 8 minus 8 always 0. This is known as negative number or inverse number. This is for addition, this is for multiple. A into b is equal to b into a. For example, 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, you will get same number. Same for this, a into b into c is equal to c into b into a. 2 into 3 into 4, 4 into 3 into 2. Check. 3 to the 6, 6 4 to the 24, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Now here by adding 0 number will not change. So here by multiplying 1 number will not change. So 8 into 1 is equal to 1 into 8, it is 8. This is known identity. Numbers will not change, it is identity. Numbers will not change, it is identity. This is addition identity, this is multiple identity. Now here in addition, if opposite number we will add, we will get 0. Here inverse number we will multiply, we will get 1. For example, a into 1 by a is equal to 1. So 7 into 1 by 7 is equal to 1. So inverse in positive means same number you have to subtract. Inverse in multiple means same number in inverse, means if it is 7, 1 by 7. If it is 2 by 3, so 3 by 2. Full on reverse. If it is 2 by 3, then 3 by 2. It is 1. Now fraction. Take a screenshot so you can write in your notebook same thing. Just take screenshot, because otherwise for this page, you know, Now terminating type fraction and non-terminating. If after division, if division is complete, 1.2, 3.123, 42.0137, not terminating means it will not complete. For example, 1.33333, it will comes. It will not complete the division. 1.272727, 9.234, 234, 234. Here division is complete. For example, 24 by 5. Sorry, 6 by 5. So you get 1.2. Division completed. When division is complete, stop. And at the end, remainder you will get 0. That is terminating fraction. When it will not complete, you are adding 0, dividing, adding 0, dividing, adding 0, dividing, adding 0, dividing, goes on and on and on. Sometimes 1 number recurring, sometimes 2 number recurring, sometimes 3 number recurring, sometimes 7 number recurring. So these are not terminating, these are terminating. Now 2.1. I'll take 1, 2 numbers. For example, 13 divided by 5. So 13 divided by 5. Whenever you have to divide by 5, numerator number make it double. So 13 double 26. 2.6 is the answer. Fine. 5 2s are 10. 3 remain. 0.00. 5 6 are. So 13 by 5. 2.6. This is terminating. Division complete. Remainder 0. Two by 11. 2.00000 you can write. 11. 11 ones are. 11 eights are. 11 ones are. 11 eights are. So 2 by 11 is equal to 0.181818 many time. You can write 0.18 line. Means 181818 coming again and again, infinite number of the times. So it is non-terminating. Complete division terminating, not complete division not terminating. Now 11 by 6 is equal to how much? Is equal to 0.18. We got so 11.0000 like that. 6 ones are 6. 8s are. See again 20. So 11 by 6 is equal to 1.8333. So 1.8 only up 3 is marked. Not underline, upper line means that only number recurring. Take the screenshot. This is terminating, non-terminating. Take screenshot. I am not hiding anything. This is 2.1 part 1. Now this is 2.1 second question. Rational number into decimal form. Rational numbers in decimal form. For example, 127 by 200. So first of all, remove 0. So it is 1.27 divided by 2. So 1.27 divided by 2 will not cut. So 6 are 2, 3 are 6, 1. So put 0, put 0, 5. Stop. So this will be 0.635. Division completed. Remainder 0. So it is उजाला वीडियो क्लोज करो. टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर 25 by 99. So 25.00000009. So it will not cut. So 4s are 2s are 2s are, that is 198. So 52. Correct. 5s are 495. 25. 0. Again 2s are 198. 520. Again 5s are 5. So it is coming again and again and again. So this is 0.25. Not terminating. This is terminating. Division completed. Not terminating. Division not completed. 23 by 7. So 23 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 7 8s are 7 5s are 7 5s are 7 7s are 7 1s are 7 fours are correct. Now 20, it is repeating, not repeating. Here it is coming. Then it will repeat. So up to this 0.2857114. Then 2. So again it will come 2857114. 2857114. It is not 22 by 7, it is 23 by 7. Take screenshot. Wait. 2 I will complete, then you can take. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. It is not terminating, it is terminating, it is terminating, and it is non-terminating. Continue. Now 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4 by 5. Wait. When somebody calls, no, at that time this happened. No, when somebody calls, no, that happens. Okay, no problem. Okay, 5 by any number divided by 5. Any number divided by 5 means that number you have to make it double. 4 to the 8, and from 1 decimal. So it is terminating. 4 divided by 5. 0.05 is the, so it is terminating. 17 by 8. So 17 by 8. 16. 8 ones are 2s are so it is 2.125. Complete. Division complete. Here also 0.8 division complete. Terminating only. This is terminating only. Now take screenshot. In previous sum also we have done the same division. In this also we have done the same. When the division complete, it is terminating. When it is not complete, something repeating, non-terminating, means division is not complete, it is going on and on and on. What is real number? Q is a real number. It should be in the form of P by Q. P and Q both belong to integers, means negative, positive, 0. But Q never equal to 0. Means what? This can be positive, this can be negative, 0. This can be negative. But denominator can be only positive, only negative. This can be negative, this can be positive, this can be 0. So numerator you can select any, positive, negative, 0, positive, negative, 0. But denominator you can select positive or negative. These all are rational number. So what is the meaning of this? That you can write 0 in numerator, but you cannot write 0 in denominator. What is the difference? 0 in numerator means any number, with any number you can divide 0. 0 is divisible by any number. Simple, in simple sentence, 0 is divisible by any number. But any number cannot be divided by 0. In denominator I have not written 0. That means any number cannot be divisible by 0. 0 can be divisible by any number. Zero can divided by any number. By 0 we cannot this is the actual meaning of this. Why we are writing numerator 0? Why we are not writing denominator 0? That 0 can be divisible by any number, but any number cannot be divisible by 0 number. These are the rest. Means numerator can be positive, negative, 0, any. But denominator should be purely positive or negative. It cannot be 0. So you can now take the screenshot with the definition. This is a definition of real number. These are the example and these are the two statements. 0 can divisible by any number, but with 0 you cannot divide any number. This is overall answer is 0, but this is infinite because 0 with 0 you cannot divide. Now listen, whatever we are doing in every lecture, that you have to write in your notebook and workbook also. From this week or from next week, every subject teacher will call small group of the children of the same division. Suppose 20 groups in 30 minutes to correct that your subject notebook and subject workbook, because for 9th and 10th workbook is very important. On that base they will give the internal marks of SSC board. From this year only it is changed, so it is very important. So be ready with your book, with your workbook. Second, see, you must have seen that every day different link, different subject. Okay, now School is arranging. Listen, don't. So be prepared. So this time, within few days, school will start one online portal. Means no need to send again and again all links and all that, and no need to take again and again attendance. So this is full on online portal. So when you will join that, presenting mark will be there for a full lecture if you will attend, and if you will not attend or if you will leave within, so you will be marked absent automatically. And who will be absent, message automatically goes to your parents that today's this lecture not attended, today's this lecture is attended, and link timetable, all the things will be on that only single app. Abhi now we have around 10-12 WhatsApp group per division, so that all will close. Different link will not comes in different group. For that, parents student will be trained by one professional and by one class teacher. So very shortly we are going to arrange one meeting division wise, standard wise. So we'll guide that what is this online portal, and you must know your GR number. GR number will be your code. With that code only, because one student having only one GR number, so automatically we can get that these students are of our school are from outside, because from on online no we have marked that students are coming from outside also. You are only giving, and that students are coming and doing nuisance, and we have to bear all the things, their nonsense. So naming they are keeping anything, gaming and night gamer and PUBG and whatever, and DP, so that all nuisance will reduce. That all nuisance will be reduced. That is why we are going to start that new portal. So according to that, lots of facility also you will get, lots of accuracy also you will get. You will get in which subject what done, what is the homework, what are the assignment, test paper, everything on single app you will get. So very soon we will take, I think in this week only they are arranging as per the professionals timing. So that will be better to reduce all this nonsense. Outsider cannot enter, and your attendance will be perfect, that these students have attended this much lecture, this much minute. If you will attend full, then only it will be marked present, otherwise absent. So automatically we will get the feedback. So be prepared, and from your report card, just write down your general register number, GR number somewhere. So with that only you can log in, and everything they will guide. It is very easy compared to this every day to search new on report card. GR number is there. Okay, today I have fever and body pain, so here I want to stop because I can't continue more. Attendance by screenshot she will take, don't worry.